How does ancient literature promote social order? Are you ready to respond to that in a single paragraph? Let's get creative. Ancient literature promotes social order. It's an opinion. First sentence of your paragraphs in an essay should always be an opinion. Don't give me facts. Don't give me the Iliad was written by an ancient poet named Homer. That's Wikipedia. I don't care. I want your opinion. I want your understanding of how to read what we are reading. Ancient literature promotes social order. This is a statement. Simple, clear, short. Don't give me commas. Commas are little hiccups that tempt you into saying something you probably shouldn't. They lead you astray. Everything gets fuzzy after the first comma. If you have two commas, you don't know where you're going to end up. Short sentences drive your point. Short sentences bring your reader along progressively. Right, with short sentences. Ancient literature promotes social order. This is a statement. What do I need next? It begins with an E. Evidence. What is evidence? Proof. Yeah, okay. That's a definition of evidence. I'm talking specifically in this case.
Example.
Example from? Yeah, from ancient literature. We're not reinventing the wheel here. Ancient literature promotes social order. We can see this in Homer. Now we just have to pick something specific. Everything that you guys are choosing should be from stuff we have read in class. I am going to choose the Odyssey for my own reasons. Actually, I'm going to underline that because it is a title. In the final lines of Odyssey, when the families of slain suitors are rebelling against Odysseus, Zeus. I never spell Zeus correctly. Zeus, it was transposed the E and the U. I don't know why. I always have. I can remember my middle school English teacher giving me a hard time about this. What? Zeus? Who is that? Come on, like you would automatically pronounce that as Zeus. Anyway, it's a stupid word, stupid name. Zeus says about the rioters, quotation marks, taking it directly from the book. Let them, I apologize for my handwriting, let them swear an oath that he, Odysseus, will be king forever. End quote. Parentheses for the citation. Odyssey, again, underlined or italicized, but everything I write looks italicized because I write terribly. And that is line, let's say, 479 through 480. Book 24. Well, actually, we're just going to go with page number for the book, come to think of it. 601. Period. Citation always goes inside the sentence after the quotation marks. Okay, I've got evidence. What comes next? Explanation. S-E-E. Burn this into your brains. It's how I'll be grading you by the end of the semester if you execute these moves cleanly. I don't care what you say. Say it well. Swear an oath that he will be king. Handy phrase here. This shows that the gods support aristocratic rule and oppose civil unrest. By cutting off the rebels' ambition Zeus, again, I'm checking my spelling. Establishes an Okay. This shows that the gods support aristocratic rule and oppose civil unrest by cutting off the rebels' ambitions. Zeus establishes an unbreakable hierarchy of authority and a social priority on peace over unrest. The result is social order brought about through the power of literature. None of this is particularly original, none of this is particularly complex, but it answers the question. It has one thing to say, and everything in that paragraph drives towards saying exactly that. I don't want loose ruminations, I don't want digressions, I don't want anything that doesn't answer the question efficiently. I will point out a couple other things. Ancient literature, social order is where I started. You look at the last sentence, social order, literature. What you want to do in any paragraph is start out by saying one thing. And then to prove that thing, you have to go through a process. And that process takes you on a little journey. You take your reader on a little walkabout. And then you always come back to that one thing. And the clearest way to emphasize that you have done this is to come back and essentially rhyme the exact same language. I'm not looking for originality. And you shouldn't be worried about it either. Originality can come down the line as you practice this sort of thing. For right now, I am taking my first sentence as a slight rewording of the question, and I am making my last sentence as a slight rewording of the first sentence. Everything in between ties to that one idea.